We're here at Rewilding Coomshead, Derek Gow's farm in Devon, where he's doing amazing work with nature. In this series, we're going to visit more places and people like this and learn about how to improve biodiversity, reduce extinction rates and connect us back to nature, which is so important in a country like Britain that is so nature depleted. The natural world is in crisis. People are disconnected from nature. But the projects and people that we are seeing fill me with hope, because where given the chance, Mother Nature is our greatest ally, bounces back with such strength and resilience. The key is to reset our relationship with nature.